Really like this little pond. Albergue. We're hitting the trail early for Burgos because Francine wants to see the cathedral there, and we will be back with you. Well, we ran into some rain. We're walking up this very rocky hillside, very steep, all uphill, and you can see all the rocks that are in the soil still. So the rain didn't help. She's coughing still. I got a stuffy nose. What else can I bitch about? Oh yeah, I'm having trouble going to the bathroom for this is too much information, but I need some help going to the bathroom. She, on the other hand, has the opposite problem. So it's been too many days, and so I'm gonna have to get some. Well, this is just too much information. I'm just not gonna share any more with you. This girl on the right, we've been running into off and on for about, I don't know, a week. Very fluent. If I didn't know better, I'd swear she was American. But then she speaks fluent French with Francine here. So.
No, she's Canadian.
Is she Canadian?
She's Canadian.
She's Canadian like you?
She's from Quebec.
Right on. One of your people.
Yeah. Eleven plus 4 plus 5.
15.
15.
You think that huge city's 15 kilometers from here?
Yeah, I wish that.
I mean, I guess it's possible. It's just
sure.
It's kind of deceiving sometimes. Yeah, we left early. We were one of the first ones out of town, and haven't had coffee yet. The gaggle of pilgrims booked it downhill, and they're going to get coffee ahead of me. I'm going to kick some ass. I'm cranky because when I don't have my coffee.
Yes, I am. She is. Believe me.
You think I'm cranky?
Oh, you are. Yeah.
And we're above this huge field of sunflowers. It's very pretty. Yeah. You see the sun, and look at it's just shining on the beautiful golden hills right here. Look at that. And I see a building right there, so that means first coffee. And let me tell you, we're more than ready for that. I see coffee.
Yeah. 2 kilometers. And after 2.53 to be left here.
Okay. Francine is checking out our next kilometers that we need to do.
The Atapuerca.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
They said to go to the this one 6.2.
Yeah.
To 8.
This guy here, I'll tell you a story about him. We had beer and pizza with him yesterday. So where we were from, well, actually we said, he's like, what's your name? And I said, Robin. He said, what's your name? And he says, Tom. And I said, are you from Amsterdam or the Netherlands? And his eyes got really big. He's like, yeah, how did you know? I said, it's the way you said Tom. Doesn't capture the color, but this is like a Merlot colored flower. Isn't that pretty?
I will take a picture of this.
Yeah. Someone has made planters out of these old tires and painted them, and that's fine. This is my absolute favorite. Look at this. They painted it and make it look like bricks, but they're just old tires. Very clever. Here we are, just passing the Burgos airport. Yeah. Just asked me, what's the name of that building over there? Can you read what's on it? And I said, it says PepsiCo. And she goes, oh, that's good because I like Pepsi. I like Pepsi better than Coke. And I was thinking, you know, you just never know about people. You know what I mean? As you can see from the map, we did stray off course just a little bit, but there was a construction site. So now we're definitely off trail, but we're in between the alternate and the green. So we're making our way along the highway here to the green path. And we're being adventurous now because we're totally off track, but we know where we're going. We're walking along this gutter of this highway, and we still have about 1 kilometer to go. I just hope this gutter stays with us. So this is probably totally illegal where we're walking, but we're, as you can see from the map, we're about 1/3 of the way back to the green main Camino path. But I'm not scared. And Francine says she's not scared.
No.
Now we're full on walking on a freeway now. And like if a cop came, he could totally give us a ticket. Like I would. I'd give my ass a ticket. But we're trying to find a way to get off this thing in this mess, walking along a freeway. But I see an off-ramp. Actually, it's an on-ramp, but for us it's an off-ramp. And we're getting the hell on it. We were in some pretty shit right there. Damn! But we wanted to get back on the path that goes along the river, which, yeah, this is an on-ramp here to the freeway we were just walking on. But we survived, didn't we?
We survived. Great. It's a bit time, I don't care.
Yeah, Francine and I are on a freeway on-ramp. She's checking her email. Out here is we see a pilgrim statue, which we're gonna take autovia. We weren't on just a freeway, we were on an autostrada. What was supposed to be 17 kilometers has turned into 22. We're tired. I'm trying to find our albergue, but we've just been following the cathedral here, and we've been in Burgos proper for about 2 hours.
Oh, I wish I had more than that.
Right? We got bread. We got salads. We bought some salads for dinner tonight. We are dog tired, and here's my plaza. I'm gonna go put my stuff in my bed, and then we're gonna go find Francine's hostel. Here's mine, Betty.